Has he been here?
Yes. Yes.
Go look and see what he got ya.
Yeah. See what he
They're on a light farm over there.
That is so. That's funny. One's the rabbit, one's Bob. It's just for me. Be right here.
Yeah, okay.
Griffin, did you see your bicycle?
Look at that, Griffin. You got a bike.
I
You got a dollhouse.
got it. Big homie.
Yeah, big helmet, a big boy helmet.
Are you going to look at your bike? Come here, buddy.
I understand. Oh. Yeah.
Is that your bell? Here, Griff, ring your bell.
Oh, yeah, some Barbie stuff. That was from Aunt Lissa.
Come here, Griff. Let's put on your helmet.
That was pretty nice.
Come here, Griff. Let's put on your helmet.
What?
Is that my stocking?
It will go with your dollhouse.
Yes.
Do you like your Barbie dollhouse?
Yes.
Good.
Oh, I hope I get a birthday.
Yeah, me too. Oh, Griff, look at Daddy once. Griff, look at Daddy.
Griffin, look at Mama.
Here, look at me.
Who's that for?
That's to Leona.
Me.